Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
His Eminence Oswald Cardinal Gracias, President of Catholic Bishops' Conference of India and advisor to Pope Francis, is on a 4-day visit to Goa. The Cardinal visited His Excellency Sreedharan Pillai, the Governor of Goa. Cardinal Gracias, in an exclusive interview to Prudent Media, spoke about his visit to Goa and the visit of Pope Francis to India. Cardinal Gracias hopes that Goa will be the top listed state for the papal visit. Cardinal Gracias spoke about Goa and his vision for the new year 2022.
We've already discussed it a bit. He's got a whole, I was hoping we got to prepare. Okay. So I said maybe end of 22 or beginning of 23. We're going to prepare the people spiritually also, no? Okay. Because of that. We've already begun. With the Prime Minister's office, I already had begun saying where he could go, how long he could stay, etc.
And any places like in particular that he would stop at in India?
Goa, I hope we go as one of those important stops. I was happy to come over here. And we had a very, very heart-to-heart talk, exchange about good of the nation, good of Goa, and how we can take the country forward. Really, that's this. Following the traditions of India, traditions of the country, and keeping God uppermost in mind. 22. First of all, we are all worried about the pandemic.
Yes,
we are hoping the pandemic tapers off and goes off.
Yes.
We are also hoping for coming back to normality.
Yes.
I also hope that our country also will make great progress.
Yes.
That's something which all of us want to contribute to. Every community, every single Indian, whatever community we belong to. And my prayer really is that putting back the bad dream of the pandemic. Now we go ahead with confidence, with surety, collaboration, solidarity, all brothers and sisters of one family.
Yes.
I was very happy. It's a short visit. 3 days I've got my ancestral home here.
Yes, you have your ancestors.
I went there for a day, only. And then of course spent 1 day with friends in Pilar, 1 day with the Archbishop. Out of respect, formality, at the beginning there.
Okay.
It was very, very delightful visit. I wish I could stay longer, but New Year and I've got to have official functions over there tomorrow.
Yes,
then back to normal.
Fine.
This is a lovely time to be in Goa. The weather is good and it's flocked with tourists. Everybody from all over India has come to Goa, it looks like. I was looking at the car plates, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Maharashtra, from all over the country. It looks like the cars have all come over here in a conference.
His Excellency Governor Pillai stated that this is the first time Cardinal Gracias has visited the Raj Bhavan due to their personal ties. Pillai spoke about the visit of Cardinal Gracias and the much-awaited visit of Pope Francis to India.
And this is the first time a Cardinal is visiting and blessing the Raj Bhavan. Cardinal visited our Prime Minister in last January 18th. So all of them, all the three cardinals went to Prime Minister's office from Mizoram Bhavan at Delhi, and I was the Mizoram Governor at that time, and having acquaintance in such a way. And when I became the Governor of Goa, after taking charge, I sent him a message that I am here, and he replied to me that every day prayer, in my prayer you will be there. And regarding religious issues and other things, we openly talked many things, and for the unity, integrity of the nation, and for the betterment of the people, he is interested to cooperate with everybody, and for the unity and betterment of India. He told me that Pope's visit is a good sign, and our Honorable Prime Minister in Goa openly stated that Pope expressed his invitation to visit India is the greatest gift he is expected from India,
Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited the Holy Father in October this year, while Chief Minister Pramod Sawant visited His Grace Most Reverend Filipe Neri Ferrao on Christmas Day this year and gifted him photos of the important visit. A report by Chetan Gavas and Crystal Ferrao for Prudent Media.